Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today we will conduct a simple pendulum experiment. Aim of the experiment to study the relationship between the length GH of pendulum and the period of oscillation. Who can state the manipulated variable, the response variable and the constant variable for this experiment?
Teacher, manipulated variable is the length GH of pendulum, the response variable is period of oscillation and the constant variable is gravitational acceleration.
Okay, let's do an experiment together. The list of apparatus and materials are retort stand, bob, string, wood, meter ruler, stopwatch, protractor and weight. The length GH of pendulum is measured at 20 centimeters. The pendulum is clamped in between two pieces of plywood to the clamp of retort stand. The bob is displaced to the left with angle of oscillation 10 degree. The bob is released and the time for 20 oscillations is measured and recorded. The average time for 20 oscillations is calculated. The period of oscillation T is calculated using formula period of oscillation, T equal to T over 20. The procedure is repeated for the value of T equal to 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 60 centimeters and 70 centimeters. Plot the graph of T squared against length L and complete the experimental report. That's all for our class today. Have a nice day.